Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have some excellent Easter DIYs, craft ideas, and decor inspirations. Today's playlist is hosted by Brenda at Rustic and Lace DIY and Amanda at 6 Kids and a Glue Gun. Check out their channels and the playlist in the description box below, and we're going to show you some amazing DIY projects to decorate your home for Easter in a fun and creative way. So let's get started. For this project, I used one of these Easter bunnies from last year from Dollar Tree, and I removed all of the tinsel, and I'm just using some roving yarn from Walmart to wind around the ears. I started out just by tucking the ends of the yarn at the beginning and the end, but I did have to go back and hot glue those places. Once I finished with both ears, I started on the head. So that I could cover up the top of the head, I started between the ears and then continued wrapping around the head. The good thing about the roving yarn is that you can kind of spread it out as you go so that it will cover more area. By the time I finished the head, I noticed that some of the yarn was coming off of the ears, so I decided to go ahead and use some hot glue to secure the bottom of the head and the ears. Now I want to give this little bunny head a flower crown, so I'm using some of these pale pink flowers from Dollar Tree. I just removed them from the stems, and I used 3 of them in all, and I went ahead and glued the leaves to the flowers. Once this was complete, I glued the flowers onto the top of the head, and then I went back with some burlap ribbon and added in a few loops to look kind of like a bow. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. And this piece is ready to be hung. For the next project, I'm using one of these metal wall pockets from Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by wrapping the handle with some jute twine. I just tied a knot at the beginning, and then I hot glued along the way and then tied it off at the end. After I'd done this, I decided to paint the wall pocket, so it would probably be easier to go ahead and paint it before you actually wrap the twine. Now I'm going to give the wall pocket 2 coats of Waverly chalk paint in ivory. While the paint dried, I did print off this graphic from Graphics Fairy onto tissue paper. I used a wet paintbrush to go around the edges of the graphic so that there weren't such harsh lines, and I just pulled that paper away so that it had torn edges.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world.
Now I'm going to decoupage the graphic onto the front of the wall pocket. I normally use Mod Podge, but I had this deco glue from Dollar Tree, so I just painted that on and placed my graphic on top. Once the graphic was secure, I did go over it with some more of the decoupage medium. I think there are a number of ways that you could use this piece, but I just added in some floral stems.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact.
What is Easter without eggs? I'm going to be using these 2 eggs from Dollar General, and I'm going to take them outside and give them a couple of coats of cream-colored spray paint. Once they're dry, I'm going to be using these IOD rub-on transfers. This is from one of their Christmas transfer packs. I think these transfers can work for many times of year, not just Christmas. These look very springy to me, albeit a little antiqued. Of these eggs, I think they're my favorite project today. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Are you ready to bring some Egg-cellent Easter DIYs into your home? I hope these craft ideas and decor inspirations make your Easter extra special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out the description box below for the playlist and our wonderful hosts. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.